for another street food. It's called martabak, the famous in Indonesia, especially in the evening. People eat martabak as a dessert sweet here. So let's check how to make. How do they make? This is the ingredient they take from here, and then they cook inside this. There are many different types of martabak you can choose from here. Martabak telur means egg, ayam means chicken, and telur again egg, bebek means duck. And those are sauce. The one they cook here, this one is totally sweet, and this part with salty one. They put vegetable.
Saya masih ikut mas bro. Tinggal 5. Kompor saya juga ada dari 5. Pakai nomor apa sih mas?
After he put sauce, he covered and he is waiting till it melts in sauce. Berapa tahun kamu kerja untuk ini?
Kurang lebih hampir 2-3 tahun.
Jadi orang sini suka martabak? Mereka suka? Mereka beli?
Barusan boleh tadi itu hampir tiap hari martabak.
Mereka datang untuk pariwisata.
Oh, kalau mereka pariwisata.
Ya, saya dan suami tinggal di sini.
Orang Turki.
No, orang Bandung.
Acar aja.
Acar ya.
Sausnya juga udah habis.
The one we get salty, it's like omelette. Salty you can eat like for breakfast, but you sell this food only in the evening. Then this one is sweetie one. As you see, they put chocolate, peanut, butter inside.